Good morning, boys and girls. How are you guys? I hope you guys enjoyed that story by Miss Linda, or from Miss Linda. Pete the cat, right? And the pirates, I think it was. Yeah. And they were on what kind of machinery were they on? A big boat. And boats do what? They float. So I got my bucket of water. I got a chair right here. So as soon as we do circle time, we'll sing our days of the week and our months. Then I got all of my toys, and I got I put everybody's markings on here who sent me responses, whether the egg, if it's going to sink or if it's going to float, a metal car. So here's my metal car. And then the plastic truck, this big plastic truck, and the shark toy. See if those sink or float. And then we'll count up and see who had more votes and which one was right or wrong. And then I got a little writing activity that I'm going to show you guys on the whiteboard. Okay? So let's get started, all right? So yesterday was kind of sunny. It's still a little chilly, but the sun was out. And I think it might stay out a little bit the rest of the week. And then next week it's supposed to warm up. At least that's what they say. Hopefully no more snow and no more cold, right? All right, so we're in the middle of the school week. Do you guys know what day it is if we're in the middle of the school week? We have, yesterday was what day? Tuesday. So what comes after Tuesday? We have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Good job. And then do you guys remember what number this is? The number 12. Why don't we count? Let me get Pete the cat here and then we'll count. All right. So, are you ready? On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and then what's going to come next? 13. Good job. And what colors are 13 going to be? We have orange, yellow, orange, yellow. Good job. All right. So let's say so today is Wednesday. May 13th. Together. 2020. All right, let's try our days of the week. Job. Why don't you guys stand up and we'll do the months of the year, okay? Oops. All right, let's stand up and you guys can do the months. I'll stay here so I don't lose my head. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, then you turn around. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, then you turn around. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, then you turn around. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, then you sit back down. All right, good job. All right, so are you guys ready? So let me get our the chair over here, and then I'm gonna get the bucket of water, and I gotta be very, very careful with the bucket of water. Cool beans? All right, give me 1 second. All right, so we're gonna put everything on this little chair right here, okay?
Now I got my little pail of water right here, okay? All right, so I hope you guys can see that, okay? Maybe Miss Tammy will put it on her lap. I'll just have to be very, very careful so I don't spill it. Okay, so here's the pail of water. You know what? I'll put something in and then I'll lift it up, okay? So, let's start with the egg. Here is the plastic egg, okay? Are you guys ready? All right, on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Oop, and look it. It floats. It floats. Oh, man. All right, so let's circle what happened on our board. So it floats. All right, so now we're just going to move to the next one, and then we'll count up when we're done, okay? Now we have the metal car. What color is that car? It looks like a fast car. So do you think a fast car is going to sink or is it going to float? All right, let's see. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, look what happened. It sunk right to the bottom. Okay? Yeah, we can't do that. It will tip. All right, now, so it's sunk. Sunk means it goes right to the bottom. It can't float or sink. All right, now we got the big plastic truck, okay? Oh, you know what I could do? I bet if I put this on my chair, maybe you guys could see it a little better. Let's try that. A little bit. All right, so let's see. We got this little car, okay? 1, 2, 3. Oh, it kind of did float. It didn't go all the way to the bottom like the red car. See that? So we're going to say that that floated. All right, so we're going to circle float. All right, now the shark. A shark should be able to float, right? Because he always does what? He always swims in water, right? All right, ready? Oh, he floats, but he tipped over. See that? All right, so he floated too. All right. All right, so let's count how many said sink. All right, this was for the egg. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we have how many said the egg was going to float. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oops. So which one had more votes? The sink or the float? The float. Good job. And that one was a winner. Good job. All right, now we're going to move to the metal car. So let's see how many said it was going to float. 1, 2, 3. Good job. Now how many said it was going to sink? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Do you guys remember how to make that 9? We're going to make that curve, come up, and then go down. So which one had more votes? Sink or float? Sink. Good job. And it matches. We have another match. We're right on target. All right, so the plastic toy truck. Oh, you know what? He's still floating. He's not all the way to the bottom, okay? Oh, I was supposed to circle this. Silly Miss Tammy. All right, how many said that it was going to sink? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we make our 4 like that. Now how many said it was gonna float? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we make a 7 just like that. And which one has more boats? The 7. Good job. All right, now we got the toy shark. All right, how many said it was gonna float? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh wait. Yep. And then how many said it was gonna sink? 1, 2, 3. All right, which one had more votes? Float or sink? Float, good job. And that was another match. So you guys did pretty good. You guys knew everything that was gonna sink or it was gonna float. Did you guys try it at home before you sent Miss Tammy an email? I wonder. All right. So that was a fun little activity. So now what we're gonna do is Miss Tammy is gonna get out the dry erase board. I'm gonna just scoot this over so I don't knock it down because you know Miss Tammy, she might knock it down. And then Miss Tammy's gonna cry if I knocked it down. All right, let me move this out of the way. All right, I'm gonna get my dry erase board. You guys can get a pen or a pencil or a marker or a crayon, whatever you guys want to use, okay? All right. So here is mine. All right, first thing what we're gonna do, this is gonna be a game of like repeat or copycat. So what I draw, I want you guys to draw, okay? Cool beans? All right, so we're gonna draw a big line. And now I'm gonna put a smiley face at the top. So I did 2 little lines and then a little curve. So if you guys wanna try drawing that. Okay? All right, so now we're gonna make a little line. So I just want you to make a little or a big line. All right, now you guys do it. Good job. All right, now we're gonna make a line that goes this way. Okay, so we're gonna make a little line that goes like this. Okay, now you guys do it. Good job. Next, we're gonna make a circle. So we're gonna start at the top and we're gonna make a circle. So you guys make a circle now. Got it? Good job. All right, next we're gonna make that plus sign, okay? So we're gonna combine these 2 lines, okay? And it's almost like the little T. Okay, so we're gonna make up just like that. Okay? All right, now we're gonna combine and we're gonna make a circle and a line. All right, so we're gonna make a circle and we're gonna make a little line. That's kind of how you can draw a person too. Isn't that silly? All right, now we're gonna make lines on a diagonal. So we're gonna start here and we're gonna go this way. Diagonal. Got it? All right, and now we're gonna come up here and we're gonna make another diagonal. Boop. Just like that, okay? All right, you guys got it? All right, good job. Now, I want you to keep practicing your numbers, your name. Why don't we try doing a couple curvy letters? Let's try a G, okay? So I'm gonna turn this over. All right, so you guys ready to move on? All right, we're gonna start at the top and we're gonna make a big curve like this. So we're gonna make a big curve, then you're gonna come up. Lift your crayon or your marker and make a little line. Got it? Got it? All right, let's try it again. Do that big curve. Come up, and then let's go over. Good job. All right, what's another one we could try? How about a B, B for boy. All right, so we're gonna make a big line, okay? Then you come up to the top. You're gonna make a little curve and then a little curve, okay? So we wanna try to not do this, make a little one and then a big one. We wanna try to do them the same. Go to the middle and then to the bottom, okay? So work on that, got it? All right, let's try a P. A P is just like this, but we're gonna stop here. So we're gonna make a big line. All we need is that top one and one little curve. And guess what? If I added a little line to that, what letter would it be? What letter? R. Good job. Just like that, okay? So let's practice our G, B, and our R. All right? I think you guys can do it. And then we're going to practice that imitating, okay? So you practice doing all of these, okay? Cool beans? All right. Why don't we try the finger poppin' song? And then we can try, well, we'll see what other song we have, but we'll do the finger poppin', okay? Oopsie. I know you guys like that one just like Miss Tammy does, right? All right, let's try it.
Finger poppin', pop, pop. Finger poppin', pop, pop. When your fingers wanna pop, it's the only thing. It's finger poppin' swing. Get your fingers poppin', let them open and close. Get your fingers poppin' right in front of your nose. Get your fingers poppin', get them way overhead. Get your fingers poppin' to the floor now instead. Shake a little, swing a little, everyone knows. That's how finger poppin' goes. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. That's how finger popping goes. Get your fingers poppin', let them open and close. Get your fingers poppin' right in front of your nose. Get your fingers poppin', get them way overhead. Get your fingers poppin' to the floor now instead. Shake a little, swing a little, everyone knows. That's how finger poppin' goes. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. That's how finger popping goes. Finger poppin', pop, pop. Finger poppin', pop, pop. When your fingers wanna pop, it's the only thing. It's finger poppin' swing.
All right, you guys. Oopsie. It was going to start all over again. All right. That's all Miss Tammy has for you today, but I have a surprise for you tomorrow. Miss Linda's going to do your art project on Thursday with you guys tomorrow. Isn't that fun? She hasn't shared yet with me what you guys are going to do, so I think it's going to be a little bit of a surprise. But I hope you enjoy it, okay? All right, on the count of 3, we're going to air high five, okay? 1, 2, 3. Boop. All right, you guys, have a good afternoon. See you guys later. Bye-bye.